Good afternoon, back again with Create Your Own channel. This time I would like to review my mini table saw. This is Chinese brand from No Fair Life company. So I would like to tell you a little bit about this table saw. This table saw use 110 blade, like 110 millimeter blade that could cut maximum 140 millimeters with very high precision. So as you can see over here, there is like a drill chuck, but for sure this is not for drilling wood, but this is for polishing wood. The shape of the table is very thick, which is very strong and look really elegant. And on the top of it, there is acrylic to protect your eyes from the dust when it turns on. So for your information, there are two machines under this plate. One is for the drill and one is for the blade. Alright, and this machine use like a DC motor with very big adapter, and here you can set the power of the machine also, how fast you want to go. Okay, and something that I really like from this machine has like a speed control, so you can control the speed of the machine. For your information, the blade could run for 10,000 RPM, like a no load speed, which is very big. And here I would like to show you how is the sound of the machine. And here how you set the power, the speed of the machine. Okay, so after this I would like to show you how precision we could cut the wood. So let's check this out.